Hey y'all, so I know it's been a minute since I uploaded. I'm in my dorm. We gotta get everything set up, but it's okay, besides the point. So I made this announcement everywhere except for here. I think it's time that I announce it, right? Right? For those of you who don't know, I applied to be an Alikay Naturals ambassador. What was it? March? Yeah, March. Had the Black Women's Expo. As you saw on my channel, if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it below. But I had that in April, and that was for them. And it's just been, kind of waiting to see if I got it. Found out that I am one of the Chicago brand ambassadors. This is huge, huge, and I am so happy, so happy. But with that comes, monthly boxes. So I decided, why not? Now, I was impatient. I did open my box, but y'all have not seen what's in it. Okay, so there's a difference. Don't get mad at me. Ta-da! I don't know if y'all can. Let's just zoom so y'all can see what's up. Look at how cute this is. Is it not? So I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna show y'all what's in it. I'm getting over my cold, so that's why I sound how I sound right now. Don't judge me. But I'm gonna show y'all. Okay. So it's actually such cute packaging. I don't know if, let me see if I can show y'all a close-up. Y'all know my staple, the Essential 17 Growth Oil. They put it in here, and I'm like, y'all really get me, like, y'all really understand. Thank you. The next thing that's also a staple of mine is the Knots Be Gone Detangler. This stuff is magical. Magical. So that was the second thing that they've currently put in here. The next thing, which I hadn't at all tried by them, and I'm actually so excited to do so. A tutorial will be coming up shortly, probably right after this video goes up, but look out for that. It is the Totally Twisted Lock Butter. And this stuff smells great. It smells great. Their whole line smells great. And now the stuff that I've been using like crazy since I got this, and I just got this stuff, it came in Monday. But it is the Tropical Splash Body Icing. Now, this is only online though, so when you go online to get it, make sure you use my code. I will also link that below, and you can get 15% off. And it's a great time, so use it, go ahead. But y'all, I love this stuff, and it's perfect for winter. Like, cause I'm not gonna lie, I be getting dry, and especially when winter comes around, I be getting dry and ashy, and those two are just not a good combo for me. It's not, it's not something I'm feeling. So this is gonna be great. As you can see, I love it. I love it. Little does go a long way though. I just like to dig in. But yeah, that's all I want to show y'all, because I realized that, oh, where did I announce it? YouTube. That's where. But this is gonna be one of the many Alikay Naturals videos you're gonna see on my channel. So I hope y'all are ready and excited like me. Ready and excited like me. Okay. Don't know why I just did that little ditty, but I'm sure you enjoyed it. I did. So I'm gonna see y'all next time. I want to go quick before things get too hectic because it is finals week. So I want to kind of make this video in between studying and all that. But yeah, thank y'all for tuning in, and as always, peace and love to my next video. Bye y'all.